Hello guys, how are you? Today we are starting new topic polynomials. We will learn first of all basic concept of this chapter means polynomial. Guys, you have studied before constant and variables. So what is constant and what is variables? Constants are such number, fixed numerical number is called a constant like 6, 5, minus 2, under root 5, etc. And variables something that can be changed. It is called a variable like x, y, z, alpha, beta, theta, etc. These are called the variables in the polynomial. In now we will see other concept algebraic expression. So in algebraic expression, guys, combination of the constants and the variables connected by some or all operations like multiply, divide, addition, subtraction. This is called the algebraic expression. Terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Okay guys, let's see the question. How many terms in the, for example, in how many terms in the 5x square yz divided by 3x? Guys, how many term will be? Here will be only one term. Actually here it is given 5x square yz divided by 3x. You will think that here are two terms. No, but when we divide we will get the answer in the one term. So that's why in this expression there is one term. Another question, if we take how many terms in this expression 4x square plus 5xy minus 2. Guys, here are the three terms. According to definition of algebraic expressions, terms are divided or separated by the plus and minus sign. So here is 4x square, after that plus 5xy, after that minus 2. So first term is 4x square, second term is 5xy, and third term is minus 2. Okay guys, now what is the polynomial? Polynomials you have studied that in an algebraic expression, if powers of the variables are non-negative integers, or we can say whole number, means positive number, then it is a polynomial. For example, x cube minus 4x square plus 6x minus 1, it is the polynomial in x, means variable is x. Other example, 2y cube plus 6y square minus 8y plus half 1 by 2. It is the polynomial in y. Guys, I can ask other question on based on this polynomial. Which of the expression below are the polynomials? Guys, there are the three example I have written. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x. Is it the polynomial? No, it is not polynomial because first and second term has whole number power, but it is third term is 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to x to the power minus 1, which is not whole number, means positive number. Guys, second 2 under root x plus 3x plus 7. Here x to the power 1 means second term is having the whole number power, but in the first term here is 2 under root x. Guys, under root x is equal to x to the power 1 by 2. So it is also not polynomial. Number 3, 2y square plus root 2y minus 30. Guys, if you see this example, we will see that this is the polynomial is in y. Here in the first term, power of the y is 2, means whole number. In the second term, power of y is 1, this is also whole number. Okay guys, so this is the example of polynomial in all these three questions. Now guys, we will see other concept, coefficients. What are the coefficients in the polynomial term? In the polynomials, like for example 7x cube minus 5x square y plus 3x minus 2. This is the example of the polynomial, guys. So coefficient of x cube, in the first term is the variable x cube x, and the x cube term coefficient is 7. Coefficient means multiple in simple way, so it is 7. Coefficient of y in the second term, what is the multiple of y? So it is multiple of y is minus 5x square. So coefficient of y will be minus 5x square. In the third term, coefficient of x is 3. Okay, and then in the fourth term there is no variable, so it is the pure constant, so it will be called constant minus 2. Now guys, degrees of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? For polynomial is one variable, highest power of the variable is the degree. In any polynomial, if whatever the highest power, that will be the degree of that polynomial. For example, 2x plus 5, the degree will be highest power of the variable is 1 here. So degree will be 1. For example, 2y to the power 4 plus 6y cube plus minus 8. So degree highest value of the variable y is power 4. So degree will be 4. Now guys, we will see the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? For polynomials with more than variables, if there are more than one variable, so what will be the degree? For example guys, find the sum of the powers of the variables. In each term, highest power is the degree. So let's see the example. 2x cube minus 5x square y square plus 3xy plus 6y minus 8. So guys, we see in the first term 2x cube, the degree highest value of this will be 3. The degree is 3. Here degree is 4. We will see x square and y square, two variables, both are in the product. The degree will be 2 plus 2, that is 4 of this term. In the third term, degree will be x to the power 1, y to the power 1. So both will be added. So degree will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. Degree of 3xy is 2. Here only one variable, y to the power 1, so degree will be simply 1. And here is constant term minus 8. Now guys, we will see the polynomials name based on the degree. What are the polynomials name based on the degree? Is degree. Number 1 degree, if the polynomial having degree 1, it is called the linear polynomial. For example, 2x plus 5. Number 2, if degree is 2, then it is called the quadratic polynomial. Its example is x square plus 3x minus 5. Guys, if degree is 3, so it is simply called the cubic polynomial. And for example, 2x cube minus 5x square plus 3x minus 1 will be cubic polynomial. And by quadratic polynomial, it is x to the power 4. If degree is 4, then it will be called by quadratic polynomial. X to the power 4 plus x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 7, because its power, highest variable power is 4. That's why it is called the biquadratic polynomial. Its degree will be 4. Number of the terms in the polynomial, guys, in the number of the term in the polynomial will be, if the one term in the polynomial, it is called monomials, like 2x, 5, 4xy minus 3x, etc. So it has one term in each. Number 2, if the degree number of terms are 2, so it is called the binomial. For example, 2x plus 1, there are the two terms. 3x square plus 5x, there are two terms, 3x square and 5x square, and it is connecting, combining with the plus sign. Trinomial, as by the name, number of terms will be 3. So here will be the 3 terms, x square plus 2x minus 5. Constant term of the polynomial will be 2 minus 5, 1, etc. 2 minus 5, 1 without x variable. Without variable term is called the constant term. So 0 polynomial will be the 0, and degree of the constant polynomial, guys, will be 0. If any constant in the polynomial, so its degree will be always 0. Now the guys will see the 0 of the polynomial. What is the 0 of the polynomial? 0. Px equal to 2x minus 4. Guys, if x equal to 1, if we substitute x equal to 1, so 2 into 1 minus 4, that is 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. P1 equal to minus 2. If P1 equal to minus 2, if I put x equal to 2, so it will be 2 into 2 minus 4, that is 4 minus 4, that is 0. P2 equal to 0. Polynomial equation will be Px equal to 0. For example, 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Guys, what is the 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial, that value of x which makes the polynomial 0. This is the best definition of the 0 of the polynomial, that the value of x which makes the polynomial 0. Now guys, we see zeros or root of the polynomial. If px is a polynomial, if pa equal to 0, then a is the 0 or root of the polynomial. If px equal to x square plus 3x plus 5, then we will find p1 and p minus 2. Guys, if p1 equal to p1 we will find, so we will put 1 in the place of x everywhere, every term. X square means 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 5, so p1 equal to 9. And we have to find p minus 2 also. If I put x equal to minus 2 here, so minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5, minus 2 square equal to 4, 3 to the 6, minus 6 plus 5, 4 minus 6, this is minus 2 plus 5, and this is 3, p minus 2 equal to 3. So guys, zeros of the polynomial will be 9 and 3. Guys, I hope you understood basic information about the polynomial and basic concept. We will solve other questions in the next video. Thank you very much.